What if you could plant a fruit tree today and start harvesting delicious homegrown fruit in just 2 years? Imagine stepping into your backyard, plucking a sun-warmed peach or crisp apple, and savoring the sweet rewards of your own mini orchard, faster than you ever thought possible. Fruit trees aren't just beautiful, they cool our homes, clean the air, and support pollinators, all while adapting to changing climates. Today, I'll show you the fastest growing, most rewarding bare root fruit trees, so you can enjoy homegrown fruit sooner than you ever imagined. When it comes to growing fruit at home, few trees can match the speed and excitement of the peach. Peach trees are truly the speed champions of the home orchard, outpacing many other fruit trees in both growth and productivity. Their velvety fruit is a summertime delight, and their delicate spring blossoms bring a magical burst of color to your garden. But what really sets peaches apart is how quickly they reward your efforts. Many varieties will begin to bear fruit in just 2 to 3 years after planting, much faster than apples or pears, which can take 5 years or more. If you're lucky enough to live in a warm, sunny climate, you'll find that peaches thrive with very little fuss. They love full sun and well-drained soil, and with just a bit of care they'll flourish and produce abundant harvests. Even if your winters are chilly, don't count peaches out. There are cold, hardy varieties bred to withstand frosty conditions, making it possible to enjoy homegrown peaches in cooler zones. These resilient trees can handle late spring frosts and still set fruit, so gardeners in northern regions can join in the peach growing fun. Starting with a bare root peach tree is one of the easiest ways to get your orchard going. These young trees are lightweight, simple to handle, and quick to plant. Once nestled into the soil, they burst into growth as soon as spring arrives, sending out new shoots and roots with impressive vigor. Pruning is key to a healthy, productive peach tree. While the tree is dormant in winter, shape it by removing crowded or weak branches. This encourages a strong, open canopy that lets sunlight reach every branch, boosting fruit quality and keeping peaches within easy picking distance. Regular pruning also helps prevent disease and keeps your tree manageable for years to come. Peaches are self-fertile, so you only need one tree to enjoy a harvest. However, planting several varieties can extend your picking season and increase your overall yield. Imagine enjoying fresh peaches from early summer through late August, all from your own backyard. When choosing varieties, look for tried and true favorites like Alberta, Redhaven, and Reliance. These are renowned for their delicious flavor, reliable crops, and adaptability to different climates. Local nurseries often carry varieties best suited to your region, so ask for recommendations to ensure success. Caring for your peach tree is simple. Deep watering encourages strong roots, while a layer of mulch helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. A little organic fertilizer in spring gives your tree the nutrients it needs to produce juicy, flavorful fruit. With just these basics, your peach tree will reward you with a bountiful harvest in no time. Beyond their fruit, peach trees are beautiful additions to any landscape. In spring, their blossoms create a cloud of pink or white, attracting admiring glances and signaling the start of the growing season. In autumn, their leaves turn a brilliant gold, adding a splash of color to your garden as the year winds down. The flowers also attract bees and other pollinators, supporting the health of your entire garden ecosystem. By planting a peach tree, you're not just growing fruit, you're helping pollinators thrive. There's nothing quite like the joy of picking your own peaches, still warm from the sun, and sharing them with family and friends. If you want the fastest path to homegrown fruit, peaches should be at the very top of your list. Their combination of speed, unbeatable flavor, and ornamental value make peach trees a must-have for any backyard orchard. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, peaches offer quick rewards and lasting beauty. So start with a bare root peach tree this season, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting armfuls of sweet, juicy fruit, proof that sometimes the fastest really is the best. Plum trees are perfect for gardeners who want both beauty and reliable harvests. They thrive in many climates and are bred for disease resistance, making them low maintenance. Plums dazzle in spring with clouds of white or pink blossoms that attract pollinators. Bare root plum trees establish quickly and can start producing fruit in 3 to 4 years, sometimes even sooner for Japanese types. For best results, plant 2 compatible varieties like Santa Rosa and Satsuma to boost yields and enjoy a longer harvest. Choose a sunny, well-drained spot, mulch to retain moisture, and water regularly while young. Prune to open up the canopy and remove crowded branches. This improves fruit quality and prevents disease. As your tree matures, you'll enjoy baskets of juicy plums for fresh eating, jams, or baking. Plum trees offer a wonderful balance of beauty, resilience, and productivity. They're a fantastic addition to any home orchard. Enjoy the satisfaction of picking plums from your own tree year after year. Fig trees are truly remarkable for their speed and adaptability. Unlike many fruit trees that can take years to mature, figs can begin producing their delicious fruit in as little as 1 to 2 years after planting. This makes them an ideal choice for gardeners who are eager to see quick results and enjoy the fruits of their labor without a long wait. Their lush, vibrant foliage and sweet, honeyed fruit instantly bring a touch of Mediterranean charm to any garden, whether you're growing them in a backyard, on a patio, or even in a large container. The sight of ripe figs hanging from the branches is not only beautiful, but also signals the promise of a bountiful harvest. Figs are especially well suited to hot, dry climates, thriving where other fruit trees might struggle. Once established, they are impressively drought-resistant, making them a perfect choice for water-wise gardeners or those living in regions with long, dry summers. Their ability to withstand heat and limited water means less worry and maintenance for you. Even if you live in a cooler climate, you don't have to miss out. Hardy varieties like Chicago Hardy can flourish with a bit of winter protection, such as mulching around the base or wrapping the tree during the coldest months. This resilience allows gardeners in a wide range of regions to enjoy homegrown figs. Planting bare root figs is straightforward and rewarding. Simply select a sunny, sheltered spot with well-drained soil and your fig tree will quickly establish itself. These trees are not fussy about soil types as long as drainage is good, and they adapt well to both garden beds and large containers. Figs are refreshingly low maintenance. They are rarely troubled by pests or diseases, which means you can spend less time worrying about treatments and more time enjoying your tree. Minimal pruning is needed. Just remove dead or crossing branches to keep the tree healthy and productive. Another advantage is that figs are self-fertile, so a single tree will reliably produce fruit. However, planting multiple varieties can extend your harvest season and introduce a delightful range of flavors and textures to your table, making your fig growing experience even more rewarding. Some of the most popular and reliable varieties include Brown Turkey, known for its rich flavor and heavy crops, Celeste, which offers small, super sweet fruit, and Black Mission, prized for its deep color and complex taste. Each variety brings its own unique qualities to your garden and kitchen. Figs are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Enjoy them fresh off the tree, dried for a sweet snack, or preserved in jams and desserts. Their unique flavor and texture make them a gourmet treat, perfect for sharing with family and friends or elevating your favorite recipes. Beyond their fruit, fig trees offer ornamental value. Their large, deeply lobed leaves create beautiful dappled shade in summer, while in autumn, the foliage turns golden, adding seasonal color and interest to your landscape. A mature fig tree can become a stunning focal point in any garden. For gardeners seeking fast, resilient, and delicious homegrown fruit, figs are truly hard to beat. Their combination of beauty, productivity, and ease of care makes them a standout choice for both beginners and experienced growers alike. Plant a bare root fig tree this season, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it rewards you. With just a little care, you'll be harvesting sweet, sun-ripened figs in record time, bringing a taste of the Mediterranean right to your own backyard. Apple trees have long been the heart and soul of the home orchard, cherished for their timeless beauty and the promise of crisp, delicious fruit. In recent years, advances in breeding have brought us dwarf and early-bearing varieties that deliver apples faster than ever before, sometimes in just 2 to 4 years after planting, compared to the long wait of traditional trees. This means you can enjoy the classic appeal of homegrown apples with a modern twist, speed, and convenience. Dwarf apple trees are perfectly suited for today's smaller yards and urban spaces. Their compact size allows them to thrive in containers on patios, balconies, or even rooftop gardens, making apple growing accessible to anyone, no matter how limited your space. Imagine stepping outside your door and picking a fresh apple from your own tree, even in the heart of the city. Early fruiting varieties like Anna, Dorset Golden, and Williams Pride are especially popular for their quick production and reliable harvests. These cultivars are bred to start bearing fruit at a young age, so you won't have to wait long to enjoy your first homegrown apples. They're also known for their adaptability and resilience, making them a smart choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Most apple trees require cross-pollination to set fruit, which means you'll need to plant at least 2 compatible varieties nearby. This not only ensures a bountiful crop but also extends your harvest season, as different varieties ripen at different times. Bees and other pollinators will do the rest, turning your garden into a lively, productive ecosystem. Bare root apple trees are an excellent choice for spring planting. They establish quickly in cool, moist soil, giving their roots a strong start before the heat of summer arrives. Handling bare root trees is easy, and they're often more affordable than potted trees, making them a great option for starting your orchard. For the healthiest trees and the best fruit, choose a sunny, well-drained site. Mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds, and remember to water deeply during dry spells, especially in the first few years as your tree establishes itself. Pruning young apple trees is essential for encouraging strong, well-spaced branches and an open canopy. This not only boosts yield and improves fruit quality, but also allows sunlight and air to reach every part of the tree, reducing the risk of disease and enhancing flavor. Harvesting apples is a true joy, whether you're picking them fresh to eat out of hand, baking them into pies and crisps, or pressing them for sweet, refreshing cider. Each apple you pick is a reward for your care and patience, and the possibilities for enjoying your harvest are endless. Beyond their fruit, apple trees offer year-round beauty. In spring they burst into clouds of fragrant blossoms, attracting pollinators and delighting the senses. In autumn, their leaves turn brilliant shades of gold and red, adding vibrant color to your landscape. There's no better time than now to plant a bare root apple tree and begin your own orchard journey. With just a little effort, you'll set the stage for years of fruitful harvests and garden enjoyment. With a bit of care and attention, your apple trees will reward you with homegrown fruit for years to come, creating memories, sharing flavors, and bringing the timeless magic of apples right to your doorstep. Cherry trees are spring's jewels, famous for their breathtaking blossoms and delicious fruit. Many dwarf and early-bearing cherries start producing in 3 to 5 years. Worth the wait for such delectable rewards. Choose varieties suited to your climate, like Stella, Lapins, or Compact Stella. Bare root cherries are easy to plant and establish quickly in cool, moist soil. Some cherries are self-fertile, but planting 2 compatible types ensures a generous crop and longer harvest. Give them sun, well-drained soil, mulch, and regular water. Prune lightly to maintain shape and encourage healthy fruiting wood. Enjoy sweet or tart cherries, fresh, baked, or preserved. Cherry trees add year-round beauty, from spring blossoms to autumn color. With patience and care, your cherry harvest will grow more abundant each year. Pomegranate trees symbolize abundance and resilience, thriving where others struggle. They're among the earliest fruiters, often producing within 2 to 3 years. Pomegranates tolerate heat, drought, and poor soils, ideal for low-maintenance gardens. Bare root pomegranates are easy to plant and settle in quickly. Choose a sunny, sheltered spot with well-drained soil for vigorous growth and early flowering. Most are self-fertile, but planting more than one boosts yields and extends the harvest. Varieties like Wonderful, Angel Red, and Parfianca are top picks for flavor and productivity. Their ruby red seeds are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Enjoy them fresh, juiced, or on salads. Prune to remove dead or crossing branches and shape as needed. Pomegranates can be trained as small trees or shrubs, fitting any garden style. Their glossy leaves and showy flowers attract pollinators and add year-round interest. In autumn, the fruit ripens to a brilliant red, lighting up the garden. For a resilient, rewarding fruit tree, pomegranates are an inspired choice. Bare root fruit trees are your fastest path to a productive orchard. Figs, peaches, and pomegranates for quick harvests, plums, apples, and cherries for lasting rewards. Plant while dormant, water deeply, mulch, and give them sunshine for best results. Each tree you plant is an investment in a resilient, beautiful, and flavorful future. Which fruit tree would you plant first? Let us know in the comments, and happy planting!